Hi and welcome to another amazing skin video. So this is all again to become more sensuous, more present and more alive, and of course having a better sex life. And what I forgot to tell you in the last video is that these tips are from my book Pussy Yoga, and I will link all the products that are available around this down below. So in case you want more of this, you know where you'll get it. And today we focus on perceiving touch with our skin. So the exercise is you take one arm, one hand, and you place it somewhere on the other arm. And you go around and softly stroke your skin. You can also follow with your eyes and really observe how your skin looks and how it feels. Try to really get a good feeling. If you want, you can also close your eyes and only feel. Feel with the hand that is touching. And feel, really feel, observe all the different ways that your skin is shaped, all the ways that your skin is on your elbow, on the underarm, on the upper arm. Do you feel the little hair? Maybe you feel little bumps. How do you perceive your skin? And also, how do you perceive your touching arm? So the arm that is touching, the hand that is touching, how do you feel the touch? How does this touch feel to the hand that is touching? And now go with your mind and your perception into the arm that is being touched. How does this arm feel being touched in this way? Really feel from the inside, feel all the differences, feel the different areas, how this area responds to touch is so different than how this area responds to touch. Some areas are so sensitive and some areas are not so sensitive. Do you feel with your little hair? Do you feel with your skin? Really get deep into this feeling. And then you can open your eyes and just see how you feel about yourself, how you feel about living in your body, and how your body just feels. I hope that you feel more present, more happy, and more in tune with yourself. Maybe you have had some interesting realizations about yourself, life, or whatever. Please let me know everything in the comments. And take this exercise with you whenever you have touch. Exactly, whenever you're touching somebody, whenever you're touching something. It can be your cat, an animal, it can be your loved one, it can be your kid, your mother, your lover, everybody. Just feel the people you touch, feel the textures you touch, and I believe it's wonderful. But tell me in the comments what you believe. And just if you have any other questions, if you want more videos like this, just let me know in the comments. This was one of my sensuous tips that I have previously published on my old blog, sensuousmind.com, but now all the stuff is also moving to my new blog. So if you want more tips like this, you can also come to my blog and read them there. So see you in the next video. Bye!